Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. This vehicle comes in a black exterior color, 4-door pickup truck, seats 5 in a jet black interior color, carrying a 6.2 liter V8 engine with a 10-speed automatic transmission and a 4-wheel drivetrain. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your blind spot indicator on the side mirror, power lock buttons up at the top, power side mirror, and power windows. This vehicle comes with the Bose sound system with a nice big storage space along the bottom. Door panels in a jet black leather with a wood grain insert. Driver's seat is powered in a jet black leather. Lumbar support, headrest adjustment. You have your trailer braking with 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, rear lighting, park brake down at the bottom, steering wheel is a black leather wrap, you have heated steering, cruise control, menu selection and voice recognition with volume just behind the steering wheel, black and chrome bow tie in the center. This truck is a push to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. Touchscreen infotainment system. This truck has a backup camera with your trailering as well. AM FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities and Bluetooth. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with your trailering settings. You can pair the vehicle up with the My Chevrolet app. Touchscreen climate control while the vehicle is running. Manual climate control just underneath. Heated front seat controls with your park assist, auto stop and start. Rear trunk access with traction control. Power outlets with your hill stop. You have your trailer braking that works with your drive mode. USB and power banks. Storage space up the front with 2 cup holders. Place to store your phone up front. USB port and auxiliary with nice deep storage space. Rear view mirror. Universal garage opener with sunroof, as well as your rear window access. Sun visor with your vanity mirror for the driver's side, as well as the passenger side. Handle grips on either side. You also have your sunroof with manual shade coverings. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle now, we'll start off with the 18-inch gloss black Chevrolet rims on all-season tires. Color match side mirror with an integrated turn signal, as well as your color match keyless entry handle grip. You have your capless gas tank, color matched rear bumper, chrome badging with your red Chevrolet dual exhaust with rear parking sensors, backup camera with your tow hitch and power outlets, side steps on your rear bumper, powered trunk, rhino lined rear bed cover, helps protect against scuffs and scrapes. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your jet black leather door panel with a wood grain insert, speaker and storage space down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the jet black leather. You have 2 compartments on either side. Middle seat collapses down. Gives you 2 cup holders and an armrest. You have another 2 cup holders just at the rear of the center console. USB and power banks with air vents, leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats, overhead lighting and handle grips with hooks. This truck is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Going around the right-hand side of the vehicle now. You have your black trim around the windows, mud flaps installed at the rear tires. You have your wired antenna in front of the front passenger seat, as well as your shark fin antenna above the driver's seat. Bug deflector with the black grille. Monochrome bow tie with LED headlights and fog lights. Front parking sensors with your red tow hooks down at the bottom. Air vents on either side, and this vehicle comes with remote start. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.